Okay, we got our caliper bracket. Let's get, we got the other half. I think it looks like a swing arm. About the right size.
Looks like it.
Weighs about 2. Heavy. I gotta ship this, so I gotta not lose the packaging too much. So this is the swing arm, road turd. So it's got the pivot in it and the axle. This is the O2. I think is here they went to this. I want to get this open so I can see it. It's heavy. It's in the middle. Isn't there supposed to be like a wheel in here?
Yeah.
That's so. There's something in there. Oh. They took off the belt guard. That was right. It was in the picture. So the guy that sold me all those cases just had to swing off the same bike.
Ooh.
So this is your updated swing arm. So you can retrofit this into your earlier bike. You will have to bore the case out in the front to like a 3/4 from a 1/2 inch or something. Or you got to do a V-twin makes a conversion kit that converts it. So this has Heim joint spherical bearings in there instead of the all that plastic bushing crap they use. This has a 1-inch axle. I am not a big fan of this eccentric crap. I hate that, but it does kind of work on a stock bike with a belt. It does not work on a chain in a hot rod motor. So you take that out. I hope they didn't break that off. Now, if you take this thing here, what's this?
Brake caliper.
Oh, it's a rear brake caliper. And if you put that in like that and go like that, it appears it fits.
All right.
I guess I got the right one.
Nice.
So there you go. So we're updating the bike because that's how big a motor?
Big one?
127.
Oh, there it is. Look at that. 127. All right.
And this is what?
Say rear swing arm and caliper.
Road turd.
Road turd.
Heavy duty. This doesn't break like the Ultimate motor does. So there you go. But I need a rear wheel for that. I don't have a rear wheel. Anybody got a rear wheel out there? I need a rear wheel.
Pretty please.
1-inch axle, road turd. Don't care what it looks like. We'll paint it. They're like what, a 13 fin or some number or some weird shape. Some 9-spoke piece of crap. Don't care. Look at that.